Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on your school Chromebook. Many school devices have restrictions, making it tricky to install new applications. We will explore the primary method using the Google Play Store, which requires your Chromebook to support Android applications. We will also touch upon some common hurdles and how to navigate them, ensuring you can enjoy catching Pokémon during your free time. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Before attempting to install Pokémon Go, it is crucial to check your Chromebook's compatibility. Navigate to your device's settings and look for the Google Play Store. If you find it, that's a great start. However, remember that school administrators often manage these settings, potentially restricting access. Some older or less powerful Chromebook models simply do not support Android applications, so confirming this first will save you time. Once you have confirmed your Chromebook supports Android apps and has Play Store access, installing Pokémon Go is straightforward. Open the Google Play Store, then use the search bar at the top to find Pokémon Go. Click on the game and then select the Install button. The game typically requires about 100 megabytes of storage, so ensure you have enough space available before starting the download. If you encounter issues, like a blocked Play Store, your best option is to speak with your school's IT administrator. Avoid enabling developer mode, as it can compromise your device's security and void its warranty. For optimal gameplay, always ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Also, be mindful that playing graphics-intensive games like Pokémon Go can significantly reduce your Chromebook's battery life, so keep a charger handy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.